Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Subhojit and today I'll be presenting before you the version 2.2.11 updates of my Google Chrome extension retrieve metadata and data from Salesforce. This is going to be a very interesting update that you would absolutely love and it would help a lot in your day-to-day development activities for sure. Please make sure you watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. It would help me a lot. So without further delay, let's get started. So in this version update, I am introducing a very interesting feature, JSON formatting. So in your day-to-day development activities, you must be working with JSON files a lot. Sometimes we need to format those JSON files which comes to us in an unformatted way, and many a times we juggle between various online portals to format those JSON files in a correct format that we need. So I thought, why not introduce some feature in my Google Chrome extension itself so that developers can get this feature right in the Salesforce org without moving away from the Salesforce org, and they will get everything in one place. They can format the JSON, they can get a compact or minified version of the JSON. So let's directly jump onto the demo now. So by clicking on this red button in the side bar, it will open the retrieve metadata and data from Salesforce Chrome extension. And once you open it, you would see a new option, JSON Formatter here, right? So when you click on this JSON Formatter, it will open a new window. So here you can paste your unformatted JSON and you can validate your JSON, you can format or beautify your JSON, or you can compact your JSON file, or you can just get a minified version as well. So let's try this with an example, right? So I'm having one JSON file which is basically unformatted, so I'll try to validate it and then format it. So let's have copied my JSON file and let's paste it over to this input section. So as you can see, this is not formatted and not in a readable format as well. So let's try to validate it first. So once you click on this validate button, it will validate the JSON and you will get a message like valid JSON. Okay, so this means that the validation got successful. So let's say if there's any issue with this JSON file, if any tag or something is missing, let me remove one brace from the end and let's try to validate it again. So since I have removed one brace at the end, so if we validate now, it will give me an error, right? So let's see how the error looks like. So you can see that it says invalid JSON, expected this property value in the JSON at particular position, right? So you know the error. So this way you can validate the JSON with very much ease. Now let me put back that brace and let's validate it again. So again you can see that it is saying validation successful and this is a valid JSON, right? Now let me try to beautify this JSON so that it gets converted to a readable format and I can read it, right? So for that there is a second option, format or beautify. Once I click this button, it will format this unformatted JSON, right? So let's try this out. So on clicking, you can see that it has given me a formatted JSON which is in a well formatted manner, and this is very much readable, right? So this is very much easy. Now again, the third option is about getting the compact or minified version. For that, let's say I'm having this JSON file, right? Let me copy that in the input section, and so now you can see that this is a formatted JSON, and now let's say I need the minified version. So if I click on this compact or minify button, it will just give me the minified version, which is again not very much readable, right? But due to having different utilities in different use cases, sometimes we work with such unformatted JSONs as well, and we need the compact version. So I've added this feature as well in this particular update. So this is very much handy and very much useful for the developers, I guess. So this is all about the update in this particular version. I hope you like this update and you'd use this in your day-to-day development and analysis activities. So if you like this feature, then do let me know in the comments below, and if you have any other suggestion or comments uh, to improve the extension or to add any other feature in the extension, do let me know. I'll try to include that in the future version updates of this particular extension. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.